Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I am back on this beautiful first day of fall. Oh my gosh, the sun is shining. It's a gorgeous day out. And you know what I gotta do? I gotta go get my oil change. Like of all the boring things that I'm doing on the first day of fall, I'm hoping it goes quickly so that I can get back and maybe go outside, do some more videos. But I had to get on early today because Bath & Body Works is celebrating the first day of fall with a 40% off the entire store deal. I am going to share how this works, what the best deal is, what you should and shouldn't buy today. So, online, you do have to use the code FALL and you get an additional little bonus, which is the free shipping on 50. I think it's on 50. Yeah, 50. Which, of course, you want to do. I mean, that's actually a good deal because you don't want the shipping to eat into your savings. Or you can go in the store. It does say discount automatically applied to checkout, excludes clearance, which means you probably cannot use it on the 50% off table, which is the Halloween. So if you want to buy something for Halloween, these are just going to ring up for 50% off. It's not going to be 40% off, plus you're not going to get an additional discount on the Halloween. By the way, I can't decide if I like this thing or not. I got to review this thing. 50% off is obviously a little bit better. It's still a good deal on Halloween. Actually, if you have a 25% off coupon, I'm kind of curious to see if they'll layer the coupon. I think 1 year I was able to do that. I'm fresh out of coupons right now, but it's worth trying. Some stores may allow you to do that. It's not going to be like 40% plus 25% equals 65%. That's not how it works. What they do is they take 40% off and then an additional 25, which would take it to a total of maybe like 50 or 55%. That's kind of how it works. So we're going to go through everything right now. So I'm going to start with the body care. So let me grab I'm trying to charge my phone before I get my oil change because I'm like, I don't want my phone to die. I'm going to be sitting there on my phone. Okay, so let me bring my calculator up. Okay, so body care. Not a great deal on body care today, believe it or not. So buy three, get three, which I think was yesterday, you're going to get 50% off. Today, it's only 40% off. Here's the trick, though. If you only want one product and not six, because buy three, get three, you got to get six, this is not a bad deal for you. So, these are $18.95, the Mist. By the way, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles is like sold out everywhere. Minus 40%. $11.37. Not that good of a deal. Like I said, unless you just want one and you'd rather pay $11 for one than spending, the $45 to get six, it's kind of a choice. Same thing with the cream. The shower gel is a little bit more reasonable because the shower gel is $13.50 minus 40%. It's going to take you down to $8.10. Still not a great deal. I still recommend doing the buy three, get three and buying in bulk. Soap. Oh, you know what? The Shimmer Fizz body lotion. These are pricey, $17.95. Save these for when they're doing the buy three, get three. Seriously. I wouldn't even bother with body care today. Hand soap. Remember yesterday I said don't buy the Christmas hand soap until we have a sale. So is this a good deal? These are $7.95. $7.95 minus 40%. $4.77. Still not a good deal on the hand soap. Say no to the hand soap. You're going to wait until these are on sale for $3.25 or $3.50. We should be getting a hand soap sale soon. They always do these. I would totally wait. We don't need Christmas soap yet on the first day of fall. So pass on the hand soap. The refillable hand soap cartons. Aha, these are a better deal. So these actually are not bad. They're $13.95. I mean, these are actually really reasonable. Minus 40%, $8.37. So you're almost, at this point, gonna pay the same for this as you would pay for 2 hand soaps. And you're getting actually, I think you get 3.5 refills. Is it 3.5? I thought you got 3.5, which is really weird that you got 3.6. 3.6. Much better deal to buy the carton and then do the refill. I know a lot of people, I have mixed feelings about the carton too. Candles. Candles. Say no to candles. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yesterday was a way better deal. So the candles, $26.95 minus 40%. $16.17. This is not a good deal. No, 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 no. It's funny because everyone's going to 40% off. A lot of people are going to take advantage of the sale. Don't do it. Yesterday was a much better deal on the candles. So, you see where we're going with this? Okay, wallflowers. Okay, we're going to do the wallflowers. It's off retail. These are $7.95. $7.95 minus 40%. $4, again, same as the soap, $4.77. That's a no. No, no, no. Don't buy these today. Okay, now we're moving into the fun stuff. So, there's a couple of things that you're going to want to really stock up on today. And one of them is going to be the candle holders. I'm just looking to see what's even available. They have the clock. Is my clock here? My clock's up there. I actually, did the whole rearrange everything for fall. I don't know, we're getting close to Halloween. I might change up my background. I'm doing Blogtober. I think I'm going to change it on October 1st. I'm doing a whole amazing month. Every day, I'm doing a Halloween video, a fall video. I'm going to try and do, both of them every day in October, and then we'll sneak in some Christmas, because we've got to sneak in some Christmas. But I want to do, at least one Halloween video a day. So, what's interesting is, the chalice is already 50% off. Still a good deal. The Skull and Roses, which is not on sale, $69.95 minus 40%, $41. Much better deal. You know where you're really going to get the good deal, though? Any candle holder. Now, keep in mind, though, you can use your rewards for those. So, the Etched Maple Leaf candle holder. Just a simple little candle holder from Bath & Body Works. $14.95. You can either use your rewards and get it free, or you can use your 40% off and get it for $8.97. I would save the rewards for the body care and use the 40% off on the candle holder. Our happy little fuzzy squirrel back here, that would be a good deal to get today. $34.95 minus 40%. You're going to pay $20 for the squirrel, which, by the way, I love. The stoneware mushroom, I'm kind of tempted to get that, you guys. I'm kind of tempted. So any of the candle holders, absolute good deal. That's something you want to shop. Same thing with the wallflower plugs. Now, there's a lot of new ones for fall. Is this one still available? I know it's not available online. The carriage. I swear, this carriage came and went. Is my my carriage I have... Where's my carriage? Oh, my carriage is way over there in a safe spot, by the way. The carriage, we really didn't see many of them. I was lucky enough to get my hands on one. If you can find this in your store, this would be a good deal, because these are pricey. These projector ones, they're like $39, I think. So this is the time to buy these projectors, minus 40%. Still pricey at $23, but much better. I think Skull King is actually sold out too. So any of the wallflower plugins are a go today. Same with the PocketBac holders. Okay, so these never go on sale, and these are kind of pricey sometimes. Not pricey, but $12.95. I love the lanyard. This is the light up cute little cat. Okay, this is where you can really get a steal on these. $12.95 minus 40%. 777. I should go to the casino today. 777. This is a good deal for $7.77, especially if you're buying a gift for someone. Okay, so another area that we want to explore is the perfume. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so tempted. I really wish Luminous was out today. I don't know why they're dragging their feet on Luminous. They now have the mini. I like Luminous. I gotta say, this is really nice. It's just, I don't know, there's something about it. It smells really fresh and wonderful for me for the holidays. I thought it reminded me of Dahlia. I like it. The other fragrances available online, actually the men are much better stocked here in a better price in a way. So Chasing Fireflies, you know, I kind of been dragging my feet on Chasing Fireflies. $54.95 minus 40%. You're gonna get, oops, that's not right. Like $14, $54.95. I wish 40%. $32.97 for Chasing Fireflies in that pretty bottle with the wood lid. Still pricey. Wild Sand, Endless Sea. The men's cologne, they're a little bit less. They're $44.95. Think Christmas minus 40%. If you want to stock up for Christmas, you can get these men's colognes for $26.97. That is a great deal. So think Christmas presents. There's a ton of men's colognes online. Coffee and Whiskey, Leather and Brandy, Bourbon, Graphite, Fresh Water. There's a cologne set, like a mini set. In the women's, they also have the Gingham Gorgeous. They have the 1,000 Wishes. They have Among the Clouds, and they have Dream Bright. So perfume shopping is definitely something you're going to want to do today. Like I said, think Christmas. Let me see here. What else? Am I missing anything? Oh, let's go over the air fresheners just for the heck of it. So the room sprays, we just had an amazing room spray deal. Everything was $3.50. Today, $8.95. Oops. $8.95 minus 40%. $5.37. No, don't do it. Dang, it's like you don't realize until you do the math how bad these prices are. And it's funny because, like I said, this 40% off always sounds impressive. You're like, oh, it's 40% off. But it's not super impressive. By the way, what happened to the hand sanitizers in the pump? I gotta look for those in the store. I love the big hand sanitizers, and I'm not seeing those anymore. That was kind of the cream. I gotta dig into that Scooby-Doo mystery. Let's see. Yeah, the car fragrance clips. Those are gonna be a good deal because they're never on sale. Like here's the pumpkin and gourd one. $10.95 minus 40%. $6.57. If you want a car fragrance clip, get it today. Don't buy the pods though, because those are $4.95 minus 40%. $2.97. Oh my gosh, way higher than the $1.95 the other day. So focus on the clips today and not the pods. So, interesting, sale when you break it down. A lot of people don't realize that 40% off isn't actually that great of a deal when it comes to body care and candles, because the daily price is usually a lot less. And moving into fall, we are going to be having Try to Believe It sales every week, where there's going to be a lot of stuff rolling out. So, yay to Bath & Body Works for giving us a 40% off sale today. I think it's a really good time. If you can find this in the store, I highly recommend the Squirrel. I think this is gorgeous. I mean, if you like over the top squirrel bling, look at the cords on the back. I don't know. I just love this thing. I'm just like, I gotta put it in my bathroom. It's funny because it's been sitting right here next to my other squirrel, and I'm like, I gotta put it in the bathroom before it falls over. Oh my gosh, you guys. So let me know what you're shopping for today. I don't think I'm going into the store unless after my oil change I just kind of like zoom in there for a minute, but I really don't think it's worth it at the moment to do the 40% off. I'm pretty stocked up on everything. I am waiting for what comes next. As many of you know, I picked up a lot of the Christmas candles. Like I said, Vlogtober is an exciting time of year for me. I'm going to be doing a Halloween, a fall, and probably a Christmas, and then an extra every day. We're doing everything. Anyway, I hope everyone has a wonderful Saturday. I will be back later. Bye-bye.